Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to find your cash tag on Cash App. First, open Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. On this page, you'll see various details about your Cash App account. Look for the section displaying your cash tag. It will have a dollar sign in front of it. For example, it might look like dollar sample name. Your cash tag is unique to your account and is the identifier you give to others to receive payments. If someone asks for your cash tag, make sure to provide this, not your username. And that's it. That's how you find your cash tag on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.